Today I want to show you a way that you can make your handwriting better or also kind of learn a new font. This is one that I picked up online. I kind of liked it. I don't know what it's called, but I'll just show you the way that I kind of do the letters here. And we'll go letter by letter really quickly. So the A is, you're going to start off with a leaf. You're going to want to think of a leaf, okay, that kind of slants up to the right, okay, and so that's going to be your A, and it's going to be kind of a narrow A, okay, that's going to be your A. The B is the same. You're working with the beginning of a B, but also the same leaf, okay, that's going up to the right, okay. There's your B, okay. C stays the same, okay. D, again, you got the leaf action going, and then you're gonna extend the stick down a little bit longer, okay. You got the leaf, and you're gonna extend this a little bit down longer. And what this does is it makes your alphabet a little bit more whimsical and a little cuter and a little bit more interesting too. So it's just something a little bit different. E, you start off with a very severe horizontal line, and then you do the rest of your E, okay? Severe horizontal line. It's a very neat E. F, I like to do a straight line down and then across, okay? It's not, people might think it's a T, but it's not, because it goes beyond, it goes beyond this, this line where the rest of your letters will be. So it's just a very straight down like that. G, again, you have the leaf thing going. Again, it's that, to the right, upward to the right. And then I like to give it a little curl, okay? Again, you just kind of do one of these and you give it a curl. H is like your regular H, but at the arc, you're going to exaggerate a little bit, okay? So we're doing some things a little bit exaggerated. And it looks a little strange when it's by itself, but when you have it in words, it looks kind of good. I do it a little bit taller, okay? A little bit longer. J is just a regular J. K, you start a regular K like you always do, but this next leg goes straight out, okay? Regular K, next leg straight out. L is just L, okay? M, you're going to start out like a regular M, but your second loop, you're going to go higher and over more, okay? So again, it's one of those exaggerated loops, okay? You can make it exaggerated as you want, and it just adds like a little type of, just a cute little effect. N is like H, where you just start a regular N, but you just kind of reach over longer. It's just a longer arch over. O is just regular. P, just kind of a regular P. You can also do the leaf thing there too, kind of can make it a little cuter. Q, again, this thing, but then you make the Q, okay? You get that leaf again in a lot of the letters, and then you're doing the little kick. R, you start out regular, but you can overreach a little bit. Okay, you just can overreach a little bit. Let's make it a little bit different. S, there's two ways. Sometimes I like to just do something like that, but you can also do like an S that's kind of severe, and that adds a little personality to it too. T is just a regular long, but I do the stick lower, okay? I make the stick a little bit lower. U is just regular. V can be a little bit exaggerated. W, I do curly, Okay, you can do, when you do a capital letter, you can do this thing, but usually I just like to do it curly. X is just kind of the same, but again, you can exaggerate. Y is the same, and Z is just a regular Z. And so if you want to see again earlier the letters like this, it just makes it it makes it a lot neater for one thing, but it just kind of adds a little bit of personality in it. And then the thing is as you start practicing it, you start finding your own little tricks to it, your own little quirks that you want to add to it. So a good way to learn it is just to write your A's out and write your B's and practice it. And if you journal, this is a really good way to practice a new font, because you're just writing slowly and you're thinking about all your letters. And so it can be kind of fun. And so when you start writing notes, or when you're writing letters, if you have pen pals or whatever, and you have a nice neat little font or handwriting that you have that you like, it's just kind of fun to do. Okay, hope you enjoy it. Thank you. I'll talk to you guys next time.